Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to receive money on Apple Pay. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app and scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Make sure that Apple Cash is turned on. This enables you to send, receive, and store money right from your iPhone. And remember, Apple Pay is the payment system that lets you pay digitally, while Apple Cash is like a prepaid card inside your wallet that holds your balance. To receive the money, open the Message app and start a chat with the person that you want to request from. Tap the plus icon next to the message bar and choose Apple Cash. Enter the amount and tap Request. When your friend accepts and sends the money, it will appear in your Apple Cash balance automatically inside your wallet app. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to request and send money with Apple Pay. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.